Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 15 Plus for Metro by T-Mobile. So the iPhone 15 Plus is now here at Metro. Y'all guys have it in all 5 colors there. Y'all guys have pink, blue, yellow, black, and green. Y'all also have 2 storage options, 128 gigs or 256 gigabytes of storage. And it looks like both options are probably out of stock, so yeah. So this is the iPhone 15 Plus. You guys got your card out there for your dynamic island, power button on the right side of the phone, volume keys on the left side of the phone, along with your alert button or whatever. On the back of the iPhone 15 Plus is your dual camera setup, camouflage Apple logo. The back and right side of the back, like I just said, dual camera setup, camouflage Apple logo, right side power button. Also you have your antennas there for like 5G and stuff like that. Here's a closer look at the dual camera setup, and there's the front of the phone there. The 128 gigabyte iPhone 15 Plus is $829.99 when you guys get a brand new number with Metro. Full retail price $929.99. However, if you guys put your number over the Metro, you can get the iPhone 15 Plus $200 off, making that $629.99 for the iPhone 15 Plus. So that is a great deal. That's the 128 gigabyte version, and then the 256 gigabyte version is also out of stock as well. And if you guys get a brand new number with Metro, it will be $929.99 for the 256 gigabyte version. Full retail price $1029.99. However, if you guys port your number of the Metro, you can get the iPhone 15 Plus 256 gigabyte version $729.99. So that is a win. Features: so it has an advanced dual camera system, 48 megapixel main camera with 2x telephoto and ultra wide 12 megapixel true depth front camera, 26 hours of talk time, 6.7 inch all screen OLED display, 2796 by 1290 pixels. Other features include 6.7 inch Super Retina XDR display, dynamic island, bubbles up alerts and live activities, super high resolution photos, next generation portrait with focus and depth control, optical zoom options, cinematic mode, iOS 17 of course, emergency SOS via satellite, and roadside assistance, crash detection, up to 23 hours of video playback, splash, water and dust resistance, USB-C connectivity. That is needed for the new iPhone 15 line, all day battery life, Apple Care warranty. iPhone 15 Plus brings you dynamic island, a 48 megapixel main camera, and USB-C, all in a durable color infused glass and aluminum design. Quick facts about the iPhone 15 Plus if you guys don't know. When the iPhone 15 Plus will be released? September 22nd, 2023. What colors are available for the iPhone 15 Plus? The iPhone 15 Plus is available in 5 colors: black, green, pink, yellow, and blue. What are the storage options for the iPhone 15 Plus? The iPhone 15 Plus has 3 memory storage options: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigs. Metro is not offering the 512 gigabyte iPhone 15 Plus. As I'm recording this video here, they only have the 128 gig and 256 gigabyte iPhone 15 Plus as I'm recording this video right now. So yeah. Specs: the iPhone 15 Plus has a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, USB-C, that is new for the iPhone 15 line. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 6 to 11AX, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC with reader mode, and voice over LTE, A16 Bionic chip, iOS 17. There is no external storage because this is a iPhone. You have 4G LTE, 5G of course, supported email platforms, hearing aid compatibility, wireless emergency alerts, mobile hotspot frequencies there. The iPhone 15 Plus weighs 7.09 ounces. Dimensions on the iPhone 15 Plus: 6.33 inches height, 3.06 inches width, and 0.31 inches depth. So what comes with the iPhone 15 Plus is, of course, your iPhone 15 Plus, your Type-C charging cable, and your documentation. So you send stuff in the box there. You guys will need a Type-C charging brick. Alright, so yeah. So yeah, there you guys have it. The iPhone 15 Plus is now here at Metro by T-Mobile. Currently, it is not in stock as I'm recording this video here. So keep it in mind. So yeah, if you guys like a big screen iPhone, but don't really want to pay like over $1,000 for one, the iPhone 15 Plus is worth checking out here. If you get a brand new number from Metro, you get $100 off the retail price, and if you put your number of the Metro, you get it $200 off the retail price, which is pretty sweet. So definitely worth it, and checking out if you guys are a new customer thinking about switching carriers. A great incentive for people to come to your carrier. So yeah, the iPhone 15 Plus is now here. Very nice looking phone, specs, features, and whatnot. So yeah, there you guys have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.